Hey everybody, hopefully you're having a wonderful day. This is Country Mouse here, and today we're gonna, if we can get it open, we're gonna do an Allure unboxing. I tried to do a little trick somebody else told me to do, and it didn't work out. So I'll let you know about this box. You can get it for like 10 bucks when you first start it out, unless you can get one of these Black Friday deals that is hell of a good deal or something. If not, then after the first month, it's $15 every month. I'm a little on the fence about it. I mean, it's good. It's like a mixture of Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm, except for or Boxy Luxe, but it's kind of, it's been around a lot longer than those two. There it is. The Allure. Beautiful box, I always say, because they are nice, strong, sturdy boxes. Great for this time of year. I might talk about the boxes, but you know what? I hate wrapping stuff, and I would rather wrap just the lid instead of the rest of the box, unless the box has got, you know, promoting the company. But something like this, I just wrap the box, or the lid, stick the lid back on top, and throw a bow around it. Voila! Pretty. Saving on wrapping paper, too. Alright, so let's get into this. It looks like that. They don't do pretty packaging like that on the inside, but that's fine. I'm fine with that. And they have a little booklet. Now, I think it's their booklet, or it's Beauty Fix's booklet. I'm not 100% sure. One of them I really love. And it might be this one. I'm going to dig in the box for a second and pull out the first thing. And this month is supposed to be like face mask type a month. So the first one I'm pulling out is by Lapcos. Lapcos? I think it's Lapcos. It's the Pearl Brightening. Looks like that. And this would be a 20-minute mask. I love face masks, so we're good. The price for that is $14, but you get 5 of the masks. And if you go to a certain website, to receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness purchase of $50 or more. It's valid from November 1st to December 31st. So I will leave things like that down below when I will try to link them to these companies that they say. This way, if you want to get the discount, you can just click on that, and you go right into the site, and boom. You're ahead of the game. Alright, the next mask that's in here is something that's been intriguing me for a while. I've seen it, I believe it's Sephora it was. Maybe it was Ulta. One of them on their site, nonstop. And I was like, I want to try it. But when I seen part of the spoilers for this month, I was like, there it is. I'm going to try it. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. Looks like that. And the price for this is $8 for this. It supposedly smells like Sour Punch watermelon gummies. And how long do you leave this on for? It's supposed to help depuff and smooth, make your skin look like it's smooth. Awesome. 10 minutes. That's all you need it for. It's 10 minutes. And like I said, I'll make sure I leave the information down below. You can receive 15% off with that. And the next mask that we have is Cocoa Star. Could be saying it wrong. It's a rose lip mask. I might need that. I've been trying to take care of my lips, but as soon as they're healed and just a little bit of lip peelage happens, I'm like I should be eating something, but instead I'm like devouring my lip. But that looks like that. It says for 20 of these. 20. That's $38. And of course you can get 10% or $10 off your next purchase of $50 or more from the same company that did the pearl brightening. Like I said, I will leave that down below. Then we have, I might have to put this in a giveaway. I don't know if I've tried this one yet or not. But it is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Price is $59. It's like a vacuum cleaner for your pores. Wow. There's a 20% off on it of $50 or more. The last Glam Glow masks I tried, buddy, they burned the crap out of my skin. My skin came inflamed. They had some kind of like tingly burning sensation. I don't know if I'm the only one that has had that happen or not, but I might go ahead and put this in a giveaway. If not, and I haven't showed it to you before, then you'll probably see it on a masking morning. So it's one of those two options. We'll figure it out later. The next thing that's in the box is Patchology's Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. You get 5 pairs for $15. Well, I only got one, but still, that's fine with me. I think we had some Patchology patches before, but I think they were like a brown khaki color packaging, or maybe it was a goldish color, something along those lines. And it's supposed to tighten, and the soft, comfy gels tighten puffs with caffeine and plump fine lines with moisture. If you use these while you're doing your makeup, like your eye makeup, apparently they will catch the shadow fallout all at once. Boom. Solved. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? The next thing in the box. This little box was jam-packed. I'm thinking I actually like this box just because of this month. Alright, this is Star Skin. I've tried some of their masks before. This exfoliating double layer foot mask socks, Magic Hour, The Secret Revealed. And I like these little foot masks. I liked them better when I was working because my feet would get really super dry, but being a housewife, I'm mainly in fuzzy socks all day when it's cold. If it's warm out, then I'm in bare feet all day. So I can't wait to try that. It's $15. There is a 20% off code. It will be listed down below. And how long do you leave? Yeah. You gotta leave these on for 60 to 90 minutes. Is this one of them that does something weird? Let me read real quick, guys. Gals. Yeah, this is one of them. They'll peel that stuff off there. I love those to a certain extent, but there's been a couple of them that's actually caused a rash that ate some of my skin. It was after the peeling was done to a point, and then there was one spot that I thought it was still peeling. No, my skin was ate away. I had like a big divot in the side of my foot. So be careful using those. Just be really careful. I don't know what you should do when that happens, but mine's getting better, and that was back in March. It's November now. Be careful. And the last thing that's in the box is the Invisibobble Original. Price for $7.95. You can get them Ulta. There is no special little codes. Oh, and they're purple. I might actually cut these in half and maybe use them on my phone cord chargers. But it's purple. These don't do so well on my hair. My hair is so thin. So no matter if I get it super tight enough or where it's okay, it still gets caught up in my hair, tangles, and there's been a couple times I've actually had to cut my hair out of these things because it was so tangled up in there. I mean, this stuff is thin. still have nightmares from when I was a kid and got my hair stuck in the telephone cord. Alright, that is all we have for that. And there is a $10 off coupon from this company, which is for 2 of these masks in here. What do you guys think? Was it pretty good? Did you enjoy it? Was it just like your Allure box? I haven't watched anybody else's to find out if we're all getting the same or not. So, it is what it is. I actually like it because of all those masks. I like masks. So this was a thrill for me. Let me know what you guys think of this box. If I ever have links for subscription boxes, they're always down below. If you're new to those and you want to try to get some kind of discount or whatever else, if it does something for me, I usually don't even know it's happening. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And apparently we got to tell you to go and hit the bell too, so you can be notified for all my videos. What's going on YouTube? You can hit the bell if you want. I'm not going to pressure you. But hit the like button. I will pressure you on that. Hit the subscribe button. I'll pressure you on that. And leave me a comment. That is your option. That is your choice. And I will see everybody later. Love you.